fucking wrecks myself with my own chainsaw.
Oh shit! Denji. Good boy. I just want to blow smoke.
What did I make you just look like that?
Okay.
Like that?
Ooh, okay.
My cat like breathes.
Quick, fast.
Can't see me. Can't see me.
It's Chris. You're used to the camera being at this level, and then for Chris you have to like lift it up.
Yeah,
you have to be like.
I need to get a pink. I need to be careful not to drink my teeth.
Just old people problems. I think he's leading Denji to his death. Yeah. Can you not be blurry? Old man noises.
The Aki Angel content that we've all been waiting for.
At least Aki's not fucking touching angels.
Yeah, you guys aren't touching. You gotta leave space for Jesus.
Leave space for Jesus, guys. Come on.
The real reason they can't touch.
Someone who's got a free hand. Someone with a free hand. Help. I can't.
No, I want to see her struggle.
No. She's stuck.
I love how I'm like,
Okay, that holds. I tried to flip you off, but I forgot I had a boy.
a boy.
I got a boy. I tried.
Oh, my halo.
Your halo's fine.
Now you're a biblically accurate angel. Aki's teaching you bad habits.
You want power?
I'll eat it. My daily snack. It's been born.
Thank you for lying.
It's so zoomed in on your face. The Aki Angel content that we all need and want. They better not fucking touch. Leave space for Jesus.
It has pockets.
No, now you have to do it for me.
Look your leg. Yeah.
You can take a photo with mommy.
Hi, mommy.
Biggest pants you can find.
This is the most awkward pose. Imagine posing like this.
You go, Chris. How far can you go?
Oh, hi.
Yes. Damn, imagine the commitment.
I climbed up a tree.
You are correct. I think these people are just fucking watching us. I don't know if you can see them.
The car guard.
No, just two random fucking people. They're leaning on their car and they're watching us. I'm surprised that the car guard wasn't like, come up, eh?
I don't think he gets paid to care.
He's just like, I just look up to cars. Whatever else happens, then none of my shit.
Nothing.
This feels slightly illegal to watch this happen, but okay. The sun is reflecting not so well. My favorite thing is like people fucking staring at us. They're just like, hello, what the fuck's going on? He will be mine. This one, you see this blonde fuck right here? It's mine. Bakima's. The main trio. And their extra. Sorry. Can you go back
Just see which Maki and Denji want you want.
I got that!
What? I mean, it's not like yeah, but thanking. Don't look here! Those cheats from Internet.
Power! Brute strength!
When you put your head back, it looks like you have a ring light behind you. What? Why? It's not like yeah. The thing is, it's not that I haven't got them, I just start taking layers of the bottle. It starts moving. Yeah. I wanted to keep the long layers the first week. And the long layers, and then it's like, yeah. I was like buffering, I was like, why?
Yeah, how did you stab yourself?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Put you in 4K!
Nothing. I am the trash demon. You merely visited the trash. You merely visited the trash. I was born in it, and forged in it, and died in it, and then resurrected in it. I am the trash.
I'm doing a TikTok transition. Dun 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 dun.
I'm sorry.
Keep trying.
Bastard!
Wash, wash. I can't kiss my boyfriend.
How does that make you feel, Angel?
Let me give you a hug. The titties look heavy. You should let me hold them for you.
What are you two doing? Nonsense!
I didn't take it off, it fell. It was in the trash, which is my territory. Quick, Aki, the only part of your boyfriend you can have.
Enjoy it.
That's my boyfriend.
This is the shot. The shot. I wanted
The
this.
shot.
It's the shot.
It's the angel!